Ever wonder why you have your mom's eyes, but your dad's sense of humor? It's not random. It's a code.
It all comes down to a biological blueprint. And today, we're going to decode it together.
I know, genetics sounds super complex, right? But the basic rules, they're actually surprisingly simple.
And our story starts in a garden with a monk named Mendel and, well, his pea plants. So first, what's a gene? Just think of it as one recipe for one specific trait. Now, for that one recipe, you get different flavors. These variations are called alleles. Simple as that.
Here's the thing. Some alleles are loud, we call them dominant. Others are much quieter or recessive.
So, which one actually shows up? How do we predict the outcome? This is where it gets really cool. We use this simple tool, a Punnett square. It's really just a grid to map out the possibilities. Let's try it out. Watch what happens when we use two plants carrying a hidden recessive gene. You put the parents' alleles on the sides and just fill in the boxes. See the combinations? And boom, there it is. That quiet recessive trait that was hidden, it just reappeared. But, biology loves to bend the rules. It's not always that straightforward.
Sometimes alleles blend together. Other times they both show up, sharing the spotlight completely. Okay, so what does this all look like in us? Let's get back to the human blueprint. All our genes are packed into chromosomes. We have 46 in total, getting 23 from each parent.
Now that final 23rd pair is key. It determines biological sex, and it's the dad's contribution that matters.
But this whole process is incredibly complex, and sometimes, well, errors happen during the copying. For instance, having an extra copy of chromosome 21 results in the traits associated with Down syndrome. All right, let's bring this all together. What's the main takeaway from your genetic story? You've got genes, which are instructions, with different versions, and the dominant one usually wins out. See? Once you get these rules, you're basically reading the story of you, written by generations. It leaves you with a pretty big question. Where does this code stop, and where do you begin?